Jenny from Lemon Balm Massage and Wellness, and today I wanted to talk about one of my favorite massage tools. And this is it. It's a little massage ring. You can see that it's flexible and expandable. I buy them on Amazon or I buy them from massage warehouses. And you can buy a package of anywhere from 5 to 30 at a time. And I love them because they're small. You can keep them in your purse. You can keep them on your desk. You can keep them in a drawer by a chair or wherever. They'll be handy for you to sit if you have a minute, if you're thinking. And all you do is you just roll them up and down your fingers just like this. And you can be really gentle, or sometimes you can kind of squeeze as you're rolling them down. And it feels fantastic, especially on fingers that work hard really all day, whether you're sitting on at your desk on the computer and typing a lot, or you have, like I do, a job that's demanding on your hands, and there's all kinds, right? I mean, you could be a piano teacher, you could be an electrician, you could be a hairstylist. It doesn't really matter. You know, we all use our hands one way or another. And it just feels lovely, and they're really inexpensive. I will put a link to some that I've bought on Amazon previously, and you do have to be careful of the quality. I tend to be a little bit choosy. If the price is too good to be true, then it's probably too good to be true, right? Because I've had some over the years that like pop apart. I have given these as Christmas gifts to my clients, and I think they make really nice gifts. If you're trying to put together a gift bag with some personal care items like hand lotion or sugar scrub or something, it's just a nice little tool, and you can buy them in multiples. That's why I bought them. And they're just fun. So I hope that this is helpful, and I will in the future be highlighting more self-care massage tools that I like and use frequently. And I hope that you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.